Hey guys, it's Trident 904. It's been a minute since I've posted anything. I've been getting a lot of requests lately for a build walk-around on the group pages and forums, so here it goes. This is my 2022 TRD Off-Road Premium that I ordered back in March of 2022, and it's been a process ever since. It's got a C4 hybrid front bumper up front, powder coated in gloss black. It's got a Smitty 12K winch with factor 55 fairlead and flat link. It's on King 2.5s with Resis on all four corners. I do have Total Chaos cam tab gussets welded in. The Kings are tuned by Accutune, and I also have the DRT Fab spindle gussets welded in at Timbos Customs. Not going to talk about lights. I could care less about lights. They're just there. I don't think I spent very much on them. I do have a couple of things under the hood. The Rough Country wiring box, it is absolutely great. It wasn't a lot of money. It was like $179, and it works the same way the S-Pod does for a lot less money. I do have my winch solenoid relocated under the hood just aft of the airbox, and keeps it nice and clean and dry. Total Chaos uppers and lowers on this truck. Keeps the steering nice and tight. I have the ARB Snorkel, and I did the install myself on that one. Wasn't bad. It was pretty easy. Keeps the dust out of the engine. Does exactly what it's supposed to do. I also have the body mount relocation. It's the DRT Fab kit. Timbos Customs did that for me as well. There it is, professional welds. Timbos also made my sliders. Made them to what I wanted, and they are weld-on only for strength, and they get used. The truck is re-geared to 488 because of the 35's, and I have 35 1250 Toyo RT Trails with SCS F5's and a 17x9 with a -38 offset. Very happy with the RT Trails. Got 60,000 miles out of my last set on my last 4Runner. Probably the best tire I've ever run. The truck also has Cali Fab upper and lower rear links, as well as the adjustable panhard bar from Cali Fab. They are beefy. Coastal Off-Road rear bumper. Allen Fab in Lakeland did the welding on that, and I couldn't be happier with it. It's a solid kit. It's not too heavy, but it's super strong. No rattles, and I've never had any problems with the latches on it, and it's been beat on pretty good recently, and holds a 35-inch tire, no issues. I do have the EIM Keith panhard correction bracket installed, and I don't really need it, but I have it anyways because I have the Cali Fab adjustable panhard bar. And like I said, the truck is re-geared to 488s. Doesn't do bad on the highway. I can run 75 and still get almost 14 miles per gallon. I'm happy with it. Any questions you guys have, feel free to message me on Instagram at Trident904. Thanks for watching.